laptop has just crashed and I have so many tabs open, which may be the cause of it, but I'm talking like 86 very organised tabs. My Google has just gone off again. That's like the 4th time this week, and I live alone, which is even scarier. What is this? Okay Google, what song is this?
You're listening to Fall, If You Think It's Over, by Chris Rea.
Why?
Now, so Google can improve.
When they started making these and like really putting them out there, everyone was buying them, and like 'cause my dad and everything, I was saying I don't think we should trust them. Not that I've got anything to hide in my daily life, but they're obviously recording everything and listening to everything, and they're listening to everything I'm saying and recording everything, but I'm absolutely nobody, so record away. You're not going to pick up anything interesting. But yeah, I've been ill the last few days, like really badly. Like I've never experienced anything like it. My cousin and sister got whatever it was as well, so we've all just been, it was awful. I'm a wimp when it comes to anything like this, and I don't like using labels and stuff, but like I've got emetophobia, so as I'm sure you can imagine, it was not very fun. Not that it's fun for anyone, but yeah, so I've been off for a few days. I had a few days off work, which I've literally never done, but I'm about to film a video right in this position about YouTube Shorts, which I'm very excited about. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now. I'll catch up with you in a bit. I'm determined to get another weekly vlog worth of content today. Oh, a little fun thing, I was with not really with, he was just sat in there at the same time as me, Scott Mills, this morning in Costa, because it's Children in Need today, so there's like celebs walking around everywhere. Absolutely love it, so I might film this and then get myself back down to Costa. I normally ramble for forever in these videos, but I just got that done and dusted in like 14 minutes with screen recording, so I just need to edit it, and I feel really good about it. I'm actually going to be recording 3 videos at a time. I'm going to be recording a behind the scenes of UGC content in terms of like filming, and I've got an unboxing to do in a little bit. And I'm filming another 2 videos at the moment, like today, for both of my Instagram accounts, and it'll just go on everywhere. It's just, I'm feeling so motivated. I think it's because I've got all these like important people walking around outside me, so I'm like basically just sat in the dark. I hate talking about mental health just because I find it like, not when it's other people, but when it's coming from me, I just find it really awkward. I don't know why. I'm like, it's to like just to me, about me, not about anyone else. I find it like almost embarrassing. I think it's because I want to appear as if I'm a properly put together woman, and like we all have our struggles, but like my anxiety is through the roof today, and I'm not sure why. Like I can like feel it in my like my chest, and I thought it was the coffee. I don't think the coffee helped, but I think there's more to it than that. Oh God, it's like I can't breathe and I don't know how to make it go away. So I tried eating something. I don't know why I thought that would help, especially considering I've not been well for the last few days, and as I mentioned earlier, big phobia of not being well. So you lot calm me down. You're not even like, you're not physically in the room with me or anything, because that would freak me out. Yeah, and it's raining, which is nice and calming. I don't know what to do to, I don't know, I've got like 2 hours left of work, and then I'm just gonna have to find something that's just gonna like completely make me completely zen. If you ever want me to talk more about this stuff, like let me know. But yeah, you should always talk about it if you want to talk about it. Please don't take it as me saying I don't like when people talk about something. I do, I just don't like talking about it myself, which is wrong. So
I've been painting a picture of a room inside my mind, and I think it's as dark as it is light. And this
it's going so well. I was like 3/4 of the way probably done editing my YouTube Shorts video, and the file got corrupted. But I'm also watching Children in Need, so that puts things in perspective, and that is like the most insignificant problem, if you can even call it a problem, in the grand scheme of things. So I'm going to move past it. It's kind of interesting to watch because it's literally being filmed next door to me, and Lewis Capaldi's just been on, so like Lewis Capaldi is like in the vicinity. I think that's pretty cool.
painted picture of a room inside my mind is where I go.
Hey, let's do a Sunday reset. I've got a new case to put on my MacBook because my current one is a mess. Oh, I might as well make my bed while I've got you here. That's a good start to this reset.
To rest, rewind and hide. It's got walls and it's got...
Maybe this is sad, but I'm watching the the latest kind of like ambient video thing that I've just posted, and it's got like snow in the background. And there are a lot of noises and things going on right now, and I look bald. The Sunday reset has begun. I don't know if I misled you before, but it's Saturday today, because I kind of had a feeling that I wasn't going to do it all in one day. But it's actually 11 o'clock at night on Saturday, and it's started. So so far, as you can probably hear, the dishwasher's on and the washing machine is on. I'm pretty much there with the kitchen. I just need to wipe the surfaces. Can you tell that I'm currently sponsored by a health brand? That's right, yeah, right there, yeah. Good products though, so it's to be recycled, and then that can be recycled, and then we're nearly there.
Windows and the sun touches the ceiling. It's got blue creeks and willows, and I pretend that I'm healing it.
There is truly no better motivation than having this rolling, I swear.
In this room inside my mind.
As if that didn't work. Yes, oh my goodness. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but once I put them in, I turn them straight upside down so you can actually smell it.
Box of colors in this room inside my mind. Well, they all blend and not one color fights. So I take all these colors in this room inside my mind and make rainbows as tall as they are wide. In these walls and in these windows where the sun touches the ceiling, I'm on blue